Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was playing around tonight and I realized that you could do this. You could draw this shape and do a lot with it. So this would work with any shape, I think. I didn't have to convert it to a curve, it's just an ellipse. But I'm going to get my artistic media tool and I'm going to pick one and I'm just going to click on my circle. Well, it's there, you just can't see it yet because it's so fine. So we'll make it a little bit thicker. But there's that. And you can change this to make any, that's a pretty neat looking shape if you ever need anything like that. And there's ones like that. Any artistic media tool in the realm of Corel will allow you to do this. Pretty fun to play with. I'm pretty sure it would work on a star. Not a star, but a square, rectangle. It definitely works on a circle. That's a pretty neat beginning of some sort of logo or something. I can see doing a lot with this. Control D and make it, well, I guess you'd have to break it apart. Go up to range. Let's do this. Let's select it all. Go up to range, break artistic media apart. And you still have that shape. And then Control D and then flip it using Control D and maybe mirror it this way. And let's get a little zoom in here. And let's take that node and put it right on top of that node. That's a pretty cool effect. That would really add some value to your laser engraving. Looks like you took hours to draw that when it didn't take any time whatsoever. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.